What's up guys, Jason here. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to easily find buried treasure in Minecraft. This method works on all platforms of Minecraft Bedrock, whether you play on a phone, tablet, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, or PC. For this method you'll need a boat, shovel, pickaxe, and some blocks. By the way, I also recommend you have a magma block, potion of night vision, and a spyglass. However, these items are not necessary. The first step is to get a treasure map. One way you can find treasure maps is by exploring oceans for shipwrecks. To easily find shipwrecks, I recommend you use a boat to travel through the ocean. While you're traveling, look at the ocean floor for any shipwrecks. If you want to be able to see through the water more easily, you can drink a potion of night vision. As you guys can see there, that will make the water a lot more clear. If you notice there might be a shipwreck far away and want to zoom in, you can use a spyglass. As you guys can see there, I found a shipwreck over there. Once you're at a shipwreck, go down to it. Then open all chests that the shipwreck has. You should eventually be able to find a treasure map. If you need air while you're underwater, you can place down a magma block, then crash down on top of it. As you guys can see there, that will prevent you from taking damage and give you more air. After you have more air, break the magma block. At this point, you can return to land or you can look for more treasure maps. By the way, some shipwrecks have more chests than others. Shipwrecks can have between 1 and 3 chests. The map chest is the one located in this room. Another way you can find treasure maps is by exploring ocean ruins. This is an ocean ruin. As you guys can see here, I have found a treasure map at this ruin. By the way, not all ocean ruins contain treasure maps. I'm now going to show you all how to locate buried treasure using a treasure map. To do that, first open the treasure map. Now turn until the arrow is pointing towards the red X. The arrow represents where you are and where you are facing. The red X represents where the buried treasure is located. After you are facing the direction of the buried treasure, go to it. By the way, if you don't see the arrow move on the map, it just means you are far from the treasure. You should be able to see it move once you get closer. When traveling towards the red X, I recommend you check the map once in a while. As you guys can see here, once you get closer, the map will start loading in. Once you're at the red X, mark the 4 blocks that are at the center of it. To do that, first make sure the arrow is pointing towards the top of the map. Then position yourself so the arrow is perfectly aligned with the center of the X. One way you can tell it is perfectly aligned is by making sure the bottom of the arrow is aligned with the bottom of the red X. This is what it looks like when the bottom of the arrow is perfectly aligned with the bottom of the red X. Make sure it is not too far to the left or right. This is too far to the left. This is too far to the right. Also, make sure it is not too far forward or backward. This is too far forward. This is too far backward. Once again, it should be perfectly aligned like this. After you are standing at a spot that is at the middle of the red X, place down a block. Now move to a block next to it. If the arrow still appears to be perfectly aligned in the center of the red X, mark this spot. Then move to another block next to it. As you guys can see here, that made the arrow not perfectly aligned with the center. If this happens, you'll need to go to another block. As you guys can see here, whenever I stand at this spot, the arrow is aligned over the center again, so I'm going to place a block over here. Finally, mark the last spot of the center. The next step is to find the southeast block of this spot. To do that, first open the treasure map, then position yourself so the arrow is pointing towards the top of it. This direction is north. Now turn so the arrow is pointing towards the right side of the map. This direction is east. Then turn so the arrow is pointing towards the bottom of the map. This direction is south. Since this direction is south and this direction is east, I know the southeast block is this one. Once you're standing on the southeast block, dig down. As you guys can see here, that will lead you to the buried treasure chest. If you are unable to find the buried treasure, make sure you mark the 4 blocks of the center of the red X correctly. Also, make sure you dig down at the southeast block of the center of the red X. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to easily find buried treasure in Minecraft. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out more other Minecraft videos. Thanks for watching!